Hey there, I'm Dennis. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up a WordPress blog using Amazon Lightsail in 3 simple steps. With AWS, you can build and manage your own resources, but you don't have to. Lightsail is a service that gets you started with pre-configured application stacks in a completely managed environment with a low, predictable price. You can set up and run WordPress on AWS in 3 simple steps. Step 1, log into the Amazon Lightsail console. Step 2, create an instance. Step 3, get the automatically created WordPress credentials and log in. If you don't have an AWS account, simply go to aws.amazon.com/free to create a free account. I'll put the link into the descriptions below. Now, once you have an AWS account, let's start with step 1. Log into the AWS Lightsail console. From the AWS Management Console, let's search for Lightsail and click on the link. This will open the Lightsail console, which looks different and much simpler than the AWS Management Console. This is for a reason, because in many cases you don't need the breadth and depth of all our services, and Lightsail conveniently abstracts them away. Step 2, create an instance. Once we are logged into the Lightsail console, simply click on Create Instance. This will ask us for a region. Frankfurt is closest to me, but you can choose any region you like. Next, we select a platform. For WordPress, we'll select Linux Unix and the pre-selected WordPress blueprint, which is directly provided by Bitnami and Automatic. With Automatic Snapshots, we'll get a daily backup of our blog, and I'll just let it run every night at midnight UTC. Next, we can choose the instance plan, which is our hardware configuration. There are many options, but for our simple WordPress site, 512 megabytes of RAM, 1 virtual CPU, a 20 GB SSD and 1 TB of data transfer per month should be perfectly fine. This will cost us $3.50 per month, and the first month is even free. Let's give it a name. Choose the number of instances you need. In our case, that's 1, and click on Create Instance. Now everything's automatically being set up for us. We'll just have to wait a little until we can go to step 3, get the automatically created WordPress credentials, and log in. Once everything has been set up, we can connect to the instance using the web-based terminal. Let's click on the terminal symbol and a new window shows up trying to log us into the instance. The credentials are stored in a file in the home directory called bitnami_credentials. Let's get the content of that file using the cat command. And you can see the default username, which is user, and the automatically generated password for the WordPress blog. I copy this to the clipboard, close the terminal, and use the IP address of my instance to open the WordPress admin page. Type in user, paste the password, and click on login. And here we are. Welcome to WordPress, running on AWS Lightsail in 3 simple steps. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.